It is time for some long layers. So as you can see, we're starting off with long hair to begin with. So I've basically divided the hair in two sides, the right side and the left side. And then I've taken two A-line sections that go from the center of the head basically to just about the ear. And then I'm combing those sections down and establishing the new length and the new outline. I'm going to work my way up both the left side and the right side of the head until I have completed cutting the length all the way around. Then, once I've completed cutting the new length, I will go ahead and cut some layers in the front as well as some layers throughout the interior of the haircut. So, here I go. You can see taking another section, cutting off the outline, bringing it up to about the middle of her back. And then I'm going to, like I said before, just continue doing this all the way up on both sides of the head. Alright, so not a whole lot to explain other than now that I've completed the left side of the haircut, cutting in the new length, it's now time to do the right side. So I'm basically going to just do the exact same thing I just did on the left side, but now on the right side. So now it is time to cut the layers in the front of the hair. As you can see, the shortest layer is just below her jawline. And I'm basically just holding the hair in my hand and working those layers from the outline all the way up to that shortest layer that's just below her jaw. I'm going to do this on both the left side and the right side. Or I actually should say I'm going to do this on the right side and then the left side. Alright, now it is time to do the layers on the left side. As you can see, I'm just doing the exact same thing I already did. I'm holding the hair in my hands, taking that first layer, that shortest layer just below her jawline, and then working those layers all the way down to the bottom of the outline. Now it is time to cut the layers through the interior of the haircut. As you can see, I've got a center section straight down the middle of the back. I'm combing that hair straight back and going ahead and cutting in these layers. Now, I'm slightly lifting the hair just to round the layers off at the top a little bit more. She's got such long hair that I want to make the hair even lighter. So by doing a rounder layer at the top, it's just going to take that layer in a little bit shorter, which is going to make the hair a little bit lighter. Well, we have come to the end of another long layered video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. And I want to thank you guys so very much again for watching.